Hey guys, Weather Pops here, and just want to say hey to my small group because they wanted me to say hi to them. Tammy with an I. This is for you. Having a little fun, guys. So I was watching the maps today, and about to get my software issue taken care of, and my maps are going to be able to pop up, and I'll be able to share that information with you and have a little bit more variety than just the wall behind me or the couch or the table when I'm sitting on it or by it. And so what I've got going on is I was watching the maps. There's a little bit of moisture out on the west coast. It looks like that most of that's going to go toward the north up into Canada. Across the Midwest, we really are going to be pretty high and dry for a few days, probably through Saturday or Sunday. It looks pretty good stretch here of just calm weather. Indiana, Illinois, Michigan has got a small uh, piece of energy that's going to come through tonight and bring some mixed precipitation, some winter stuff, a little bit of freezing rain, sleet, snow, that type of thing. The farther south you go, the more it's going to be just rain. Indianapolis area, you're going to have a little bit off and on precipitation tomorrow. That's going to be between freezing rain and snow and rain. But the high is going to be closer to 40, so most of that's not going to stick or do any damage. And then we've got, like I said, all the way through, I believe Sunday, we're pretty much wide open here. Now, I do want to tell you that down around Texas, the Gulf Coast, there's going to be another storm system coming off of California, and it looks like a pretty significant storm system. And from what I'm looking at, about February 3rd is when that should be hitting down to the Texas and the Gulf Coast area. It's got me concerned. Looks like there's quite a bit of energy. There's a negative tilt on the maps, and when you have a negative tilt, that adds that extra little spin and really kind of leans toward more of a severe weather outbreak. So as of right now, it looks like the third could be, or the fourth could be kind of a rough time there across that Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia range. But we're gonna have to see how that works out. That's quite a few days out still, and those forecast maps aren't perfect, but they get close. And so there is good, like I said, good amount of moisture coming off the west coast is going to impact that out there, and then come across the Texas and the Gulf Coast area. And then what I want you to know is we're going to have another day or two. It's going to be kind of a nice little area. There's going to be a couple little light disturbances coming through the Midwest. It's not going to be anything significant. And the next time that we're going to have anything to talk about probably will be around that February 10th or 11th. It looks like another strong storm system is coming in off of out of the Pacific and across California, the out west, and it's going to take that same dive down into Texas and across the south region again, and very good chance that we could have something going on there too. But that's pretty far out, and so we'll just keep you posted on that as it happens. And so hopefully, again, by then I'll have be able to have some maps and stuff pulled up. Again, if you know anybody who has got a great weather story, something that they were involved in. They were caught in a flood or a tornado or a blizzard or something, and they want to share that story. Have them get a hold of me. I'll put that down in the description below how you can get there. If you like what you're hearing here, please remember to like, share, and hit that bell for notifications. So when I do go live or if I do post something, it's going to pop up there, and you're going to be the one the first to know it. Try to grow the channel, have fun. This is going to be a very family friendly channel. It's going to have a lot of good information on it, and hopefully it'll impact you in a positive way. And down the road, when we start doing the live streams during severe weather or severe winter weather, that by sharing this and by getting the word out there to everybody, it will be hopefully saving lives. You know, I'm a retired firefighter paramedic, and that's what I've always wanted to do, was make an impact on lives and save lives. And this is just another way for me to get to do this. It's a privilege to get to do it, and I hope you come along for the ride. It's going to be a good time. So you guys have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon.